Hey, awesome ones. Are you still hiding under oversized clothes or maybe just black clothing? Hey, I was doing that too, and I did it for a long time. And then I discovered some slimming ideas, and I thought to myself, you know what, I'm going to do a few videos on how to work your clothing for slimming and trimming, and it really helped me. But I thought I'd start this one. Well, let's just start with the undergarments. What lies underneath? And it all starts in just a few seconds. So I've got a whole basket full of things to show you. I'm so excited. And there's all kinds of things. If your body shape has changed, let's say since you were in your 20s, now for most of us, yeah, that's what's happening. And if you're still wearing, let me see if I can get these in the photograph over here a little bit, or in the video, I should say. If you're wearing sort of skimpy little underwear like this, and maybe a bra that's too small for you, you're going to get that muffin top. You're going to get a few things, and no wonder you're hiding under the oversized clothes. Hey, we're a little curvier now, and let's see what we can do about those curves. So these undergarments, they really help me get support and structure for my body type now. And I don't have to resort to wearing like moo-moo dresses and hiding underneath everything. I can wear something a little bit slimmer because I'm wearing these, and it just helps me with my look to feel and look more youthful. Now, first of all, what I'm going to do is show you two kind of clips of me, and yeah, I'm kind of brave to do this, but I really want to show you the difference that undergarments make. So let's take a look right here. And as you can see, I'm in my little black dress, and one of the photos has me with the slimming undergarments and the other one does not. And just in case you think I'm breathing in, no, I'm not breathing in. I'm trying to do the same kind of breaths for both of them. But let's just take a look. I'm going to get to this in a minute and what a bra can do for you. And you can see that under my arms, there's little rolls here. And I don't have them with the other bra that's kind of bringing everything in. Also, you can see my tummy here. If I'm wearing those kind of skimpy bikini, underwear, what I'm going to have is I'm going to have some, well, let's call it the old muffin top here. And I'm not going to have it if I'm wearing something that's not uncomfortable, but basically bringing me in a little bit more, a little bit of shapewear. And yeah, in the two outfits, you can really see the difference. All right, so let's start with some shapewear, and it's all about the shape. About the shape. I know these look like ugly granny panties, but you know what? These actually work, and I'm wearing the black pair underneath me right now, but I wanted to show you some of my top items that I really love, and I found something that doesn't roll down. So I found this out the hard way. I went to a gala and I was wearing those briefs, and when I was standing up and sitting down and dancing, oh my gosh, I got the dreaded roll down. It started rolling down underneath my dress, and then of course my waist was like 3 times wider, which is not what you want with shapewear. So I found something that I think is better for a lot of those times when you're doing a lot of moving around, and I hope you can see this. It's the one piece. Bill, can everybody see that okay? All right, awesome. And the one piece that I have here, I absolutely love it because it has a cutout for my own bra. So I don't need to worry about, oh, the waist is too short, or I can just sort of put my own bra in there and then the rest of it just sort of flows down. And that brings me to my next item, which is the bra with side panels. So most bras just have a very small little side panel like this, and we're all used to that. However, if you find the right bra like I did to kind of, well, you know what I'm talking about, that underarm stuff, you're going to find something that's on the market that has a wider kind of side panel like this. Now let's just take a look at them, if I can do this side by side. I can make this happen, absolutely. So you can see the difference here between the, Bill, can you see the difference there between the two? All right, that this is just not hiding anything, and this one has a much nicer side panel. Now you can get that in a regular bra. You can also find something in a you know, something like this, which is a, let me go over here, sports bra, which again has the wider panels on the side. Now the other thing that you need to do is you've got to make sure that you get measured as well around the, well, right around here. And a lot of times we think, well, I know I'm a 34B. Well, hey, guess what? You're probably not a 34B anymore. I found out like I was a 38 and I went, whoa. But now I don't have those kind of muffin tops around my bra at the back. And you all know what I'm talking about. So find yourself a good lingerie store, even Victoria's Secret. Just say to them, look, I really need a bra with panels to hide this kind of something here, and I also want to be measured to make sure that my circumference is right, the cup size is right, and they will take the time to do this. And you're going to spend at least an hour or so, but at the end you get yourself a great bra that's going to make you look slimmer, make you feel more confident, and hey, it fits. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I link a lot of the shapewear and the products that I'm talking about below, and we make a little bit of commission on that, and it really helps us to keep making these videos. So thanks a lot if you do buy through the links. But one thing I'm not going to do, I'm not going to link any bras, because I really encourage you to go out and get the fittings, and I would rather have you get the right thing than us just link to something that's going to be totally wrong for you. So make sure you look after yourself and get that done. So let's talk about the briefs, and I'm not going to keep it brief. All right, Bill, I kind of feel sorry for you behind the camera here, because I'm going to show my granny panties, and yeah, you know what, sometimes I might wear a pair like this under a high-rise jeans, and I'll show you that in a minute, or under a control top kind of pair of tights, and again, I'll show you that in a minute, but for the most part, I'm wearing the granny panties. And what I love about these, I don't know if you can see them okay, but they're very, very lightweight. And they also are light enough and seamless enough to wear underneath some of that shapewear that I showed you, so they don't have their own roll, so to speak. They also have a nice cotton gusset in them as well, so you can get these in all different colors. I really like the beige because they go with everything. But you know, we've got to, when our shape starts to change, these high rises just help to tuck everything in. They also help us with our muffin top. And I gotta tell you, you know, I'm 64 years old right now, and I was a former model. And for me, confidence is the key, but I know that I'm not going to be as slim as I was when I was modeling. And I gotta tell you, when I was modeling, I was bulimic. So I don't wanna go back there. I wanna stay healthy, I wanna stay kind of youthful feeling, and I wanna look good. And all of this shapewear and undergarments, they really, really help with that. So stay healthy, and let's get to the next one. And hey, if you're kind of liking these videos, I would love you to subscribe to the channel and come on back by clicking on the bell. That way you'll be notified whenever the videos are out. But I got about 3 more bonus ones for you. I thought I had finished the script, and then I went, heck no, I can add some more to it. And the number one thing, you've heard me talk about this before, is the lightweight camisole. I'll try to put this up here. Hopefully you can see it. Look at how thin this is. And I've got these in all different, as a matter of fact, I'm wearing one underneath this right now, and it helps to keep me slim, and also if I get the dreaded roll down in my top, I'm covered there. But yeah, these are made by Jockey, and again, we'll put the links below. They're absolutely fabulous. You don't even know you're wearing them. I wear them underneath something when I'm bike riding, for goodness sakes, and you know, it's really, really nice. So that's one. The other one is for fall or winter or spring. Get yourself a pair of tights that are higher waisted, or maybe a control top. And you know, don't go for anything in the bikini kind of look. You can also do this. Maybe you want a black pair of hose, but pantyhose. So this will really help you with that. And of course, this one was another one that I thought I would add. And it is the high-rise jeans, and I think it says right on there, the high-rise. And these are also stretchy. They're so fantastic. I absolutely love them. But as you can see with the high-rise, I don't know if you can tell here, I'll kind of move up a bit, but it's keeping my tummy and everything pushed in. So if I did want to wear a pair of those kind of slinky underwear, if you know what I mean, I got myself covered with this. So, you know, I do these kind of videos and kind of showing things that I really wouldn't. I'm trying to be brave for all of you, but you are my virtual friends, and I love it when you have comments and you're talking to me about, hey, you know what, if you've got some other ideas for slimming, please put them in the comments. Let's all share this, and let's help each other be confident and feel youthful and absolutely awesome. But there's somebody else who's a virtual friend to a lot of you, and I'm going to bring him out in just a second. So here he is, our little Hurricane. Hey, Hurricane. And when Hurricane comes on the scene, I'm reminded to talk to you about upcoming videos. And first of all, we are so inspired that a lot of you are going to our new second, sorry, did I wake you up? Going to our new second channel, and that's over at youtube.com/awesomeover50 inspiration. Hey, we're talking about tech gadgets, we're talking about exercise, food, and even some travel in there as well, some places that we've been that we really want you to tag along and share with. And on this, our beauty channel, I'm trying out some new skincare, and I'm not just sort of slapping it, I'm trying it on for a long time, see if it'll work, and then I want to really share it with you. So that's coming up. But I want to talk to you about something. You know, we are almost at 70,000 subscribers. And you know, for Bill and I don't, and little Hurricane probably as well, it means so much to us. You know, when I started this beauty channel, a lot of people were saying, it was about 2 years ago, they were like, are you kidding me? Like, that's just for 20-year-olds. Nobody wants to learn about makeup from an older woman. Well, guess what? You're all proving them wrong, because I feel that people of the same age want to learn from somebody at the same age. And we just, let's face it, we don't have the same skin as a lot of 20-year-olds. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being here, for subscribing. You know, you're getting products. I really, really appreciate it. And I'm planning to be here for a long, long time. So in the meantime, and until we meet again, you are the awesome ones. You are the awesome ones. Thank you.